You're embarrassing me.
I can. It was slimy. That's why it was like slipping off. You know what I'm saying? It should have slimy, right?
No, it's the camera. You guys are nervous.
Hey.
Camera shy.
Put you on glass, huh? Danvers world.
What's up, guys? In this vlog, I'm gonna take you guys with me to some all-you-can-eat and all-you-can-drink sushi. I was really surprised that they had this deal. It's pretty cheap, $6.99 for all-you-can-drink and all-you-can-eat sushi. But unfortunately, one of the person in our party didn't want to drink, and the whole table had to drink, so we didn't get it. But it was all good. But yeah, I found this place in the nick of time. This place is a new spot in Orange County. It's called Sushi Damu. I usually go to one spot in Rancho Cucamonga, but that place recently changed owners and their sushi became trash. So yeah, my friends recommended me to try this spot, and frankly it was actually pretty good. It had a lot of variety, as you guys could see in the menu. Also, it really impressed me because they offered tempura, shrimp tempura, like you can actually order on the side. And yeah, again, they had like a lot of variety. The sushi is pretty fresh. The only complaint I had was the sashimi, or the raw fish, wasn't as good as it wasn't as fresh as one spot, but it was actually pretty good, and the rolls are pretty good as well. The rice to fish and meat ratio was perfect. It wasn't too much rice. Yeah, overall it was pretty good. So yep. Also, I'm going to show you guys all the rolls that we ate. So let me know what you guys think from the presentation of the sushi, if you guys think it's good or not. And then I'll give you guys a rating at the end of the video of what I think about the whole place. Shit's called the ex-boyfriend roll, aka the Navid roll. Calamari tempura roll, dude. Fire.
Look at this guy.
I'm going to call this the messy roll. The messy roll. All these rolls are pretty impressive.
Gen, yeah, a little bit.
Gen roll.
You should incorporate your Yelp with your vlog. Where you do like Yelp reviews on your vlog, you get.
Round 2. What should we order next, guys? Yeah, like I said before, this is the menu. It had a huge variety, as you guys can see. Probably one of the bigger varieties of the all-you-can-eat places I've been to before. Plus, this place is all-you-can-drink too, which is amazing. But yeah, definitely didn't get to try all the rolls I want to. But next time, I'll definitely try the rest of the rolls. But yeah, this place is actually pretty good. It actually really impressed me. If I had to give round
it
2 getting lit
5, I would probably give it a 4.2 solid, just because service wasn't that crazy or anything, and the raw sushi, the sashimi, wasn't that great either. So definitely a really good place. Gonna try it again. The rest of our second round is here. Do the honors. What do we have here?
We have squid,
Zumi dai.
Zumi dai.
and then what's that? Smoked salmon.
So
Golden
basic ass
tiger.
crunch roll. Look at this guy, basic ass shrimp crunch roll.
Shit. Shrimp tempura crunch roll.
I know.
Round 2 for the mussels.
Mussels.
Apparently it's Zumi dai. Let's see what it tastes like.
No?
I like that squid. No, actually,
It's pretty chewy. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good, but chewy. Golden tiger. Only fried roll. Oh, shit. Alright, we tapping out round 2. Getting to the end of the road. It's getting difficult. It's getting difficult, but An will eat it, right? Yep. Always gotta finish off with green tea ice cream. It's always the move.
a strawberry, bruh.
That's true. That's right. Green tea ice cream is always the move. That was a wrap. We got our protein in. It's pretty good, right, guys? Now we're about to go home and catch the game. Peace out.